Khulumka Khapani Takute Bukusung, good morning everyone. Today I would like to share few my views on the notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs last month. That is to deport, detect the illegal immigrant from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. We had a long experience in Tripura, although the neighboring, as we are the neighboring country, neighboring state of the Bangladesh, we are the most affected state like Assam, West Bengal, Meghalaya and Tripura. So Tripura, after the issue of illegal immigrant, we have the majority to we have converted majority to minority. We have lost our land, everything. We have lost our constitutional right, education right, our economic right. It is all, everybody knows the pathetic condition of the Tripura state after the we marched with the Indian Union, merger agreement with Indian Union after the independence and after the 71 East Pakistan war. So now the question is, after issuing the notification by the Ministry of Home Affairs, I think everybody, like me, everybody, we know we have to do something as a leader of the particular constituency. In our particular area, we have to synthesize on the issue. We have to bring the public awareness. We have to synthesize as it is our responsibility, as given by the Ministry of Home Affairs, each and every citizens of India, the citizens of Tripura, our duty, our common duty to help the Ministry of Home Affairs, to help the state, to help the nations to find out the illegal immigrant. In this way, in this regard, after seeing the notification, we have in my particular case, we have decided with my leaders, we have decided we have to bring out the rally. We have submitted the deputation to the SDM. We will submit the deputation to the police station, and we have to give the awareness to the people, so that as what we are seeing now, the present situation, Gujarat government, Maharashtra government, Delhi government, UP government actively doing the good job on the issue. They are finding the Bangladeshi illegal migrant. They are backing the Bangladeshis. They are sending to the detention camp. They deported. So and Assam, the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma also doing the good job on the issue. So after the strict notification by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but in Tripura, we are surrounded by the Trikunda, we are surrounded by the Bangladesh. We are most affected state of the country, but in here, we are spectator. Our government is spectator. Government is nothing doing anything, not doing anything. So that's why who is doing actively, who did the good job, who is more active, that doesn't matter. But my views, my thing is, we are doing our each indigenous leaders, keeping in the mind that we have to be part of this job of a home ministry, to help the government and to find out the illegal immigrant who already inside the Tripura. Now, blaming each other will be not solved. Who is doing big job, who is not doing, that is not issue. But doing simple person is not enough in the democratic system. We have to be united. You are doing your job. We are doing our job. We don't blame any others. I don't bother also in this regard. No, anybody we don't bother. Do whatever you can do as the democratic way. You can do anything, but it will must be the democratic way. So my now submission to the people is that we have to be united. The issue of Ministry of Home Affairs has now they have realized the issue of illegal immigrant is the major issue in the country, but that is changed after independence. We are facing the problem that is kept in our Tripura Accord, Bhubagra's Tripura Accord. You know, everybody knows the Tripura Accord is still pending. So what is the next step? See, it is inside all the Tripura Accord. It is inside our movement. It is inside the TNB Accord. It is inside the ATTF Accord. It is within the all agreement, all accord in the state, which is done with the central government by the different organization of our Tripura community of the state. So the issue is kept since last from the TNB to the NLT Accord to this Tripura Accord. Still the issue is pending, but Ministry of Home Affairs suddenly they have issue. No, that is a great issue. This is a very big issue we have to solve. We have to find out the illegal immigrant. We have to we have to push back them. So now we are welcome, but the still our government, Tripura government is sleeping. So we have to sensitize the government as a citizen, as a leader, as a good citizens of India we all have to be sensitized, our people also, and we have to ask our government, please, or if the government is still, if government sleep, we have to do a big thing. We will be compelled to do the big movement, big thing, unless until the notification will be remain sleep. Only it will be the notification will be for only Gujarat, only Assam, only for Maharashtra, only for Delhi, not for Tripura, because the state government is not willing to do. It is clear. Still they are sleeping. So don't blame each other. We all welcome. You do in your way. We are doing on our way, on our respected area, our notified area. We are doing where we can do. So don't blame others. Do your job. Good done. Good. Well. Very good job. But don't blame others. Be united. Be with Maharaja. Maharaja is the only way. Now, with his instruction, we have to follow. How? When? We have to shake the wall, shake the Tripura, and raise the voice unitedly, fight for the justice, fight for the right, fight for our accord and justice for all the indigenous people of Tripura. That is my humble submission. You do whatever you can do as you like. So blaming each other will make us very weak. That's why my humble request, please, respected all leaders, respected all good citizens of Tripura, do as what you can do in your area as your capacity. That is my message. We will surely, very soon, as per our decision, we are going to submit deputation in Telimar in my constituency. And it is after seeing the notification, we have prepared all things. So we have to submit deputation to the SDM, Kallanpur Thana, as well as Teleamura also, and we appeal. Please join us with unitedly in Thamsa, that we can achieve only our goal, that is our demand, which is kept in our Tripura Accord. Will be very soon. I'm optimistic that with Bubagra will bring us something for the people of Tripura. So thank you. Jatana Hambai Khulumka.